nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook this super delicious stir-fried mushroom and broccoli. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, let's add some cooking oil to our preheated frying pan. Sauté the onion. Followed by the garlic. Add the canned mushroom. Stir it well. Add salt and pepper. Continue stirring. Then add the oyster sauce. Stir it again for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add a little bit of water. Lastly, add the steamed broccoli and stir everything for another 2 minutes. And now it's ready to be served. This is super easy to cook and yet so delicious. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.